Hi, grade 1. Well, we've made it to the end of subtraction. Now we're going to practice all our strategies using some pages that have mixed strategies, okay? Mixed means you're using all kinds. So on this one, you sort of have to fill in the blanks before you can start to know which strategy. And I gave you a little bit of hints here. There's a few different ways. Now this one says count up, so we're going to use counting up there. Here I have a different strategy. Tens what? Let's look up here at our choices. Doubles, a number minus itself, minus 0, minus 10, tens, partners. I remember when we did tens partners. Good. A number minus, which one matches? Oh, here, a number minus itself. Well, let's write the word itself in there because it's not on there. Okay, over here it says doubles. Well, that one's already done. You don't have to worry about it. This one's minus something, and this one's minus something. But if we look here, does this look like minus 10 or minus 0? Does this look like minus 10 or minus 0? This one's minus 10. This one, this one's minus 0. So go ahead and fill in the titles before you start this, just to make it easy for yourself. Now when you do this one, it's called counting up here. I notice the numbers are pretty close. All we need to do is count up. So 20 minus 18, I'm just going to start at 18 and count up to 20. So hold the 18, 19, 20. I only counted up twice. 14 minus 13, we're going to use the strategy counting up. Hold the 13, count up, 14. Oh, I only moved once. You can do the rest. Over here, we're using the strategy of tens partners. Well, 10 minus 4 equals something. Something plus 4 equals 10. I know 6 and 4 are tens partners. 6 plus 4 equals 10, but 10 minus 4 equals 6. I'll let you do the rest of those. All right, remember a number minus itself? Whenever you have a number minus itself, the answer is always 0. If you have 9 fingers and you take away 9 fingers, it's 0. If you have 8 fingers and you take away 8 fingers, it's... All right, I'll let you figure that one out. Down here, they're talking about doubles. And if you know the doubles facts while you're adding, then you know them when you're subtracting. 10 minus 5. Well, what's the doubles here to make 10? 5 plus 5 equals 10. Here we go. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 10 minus 5 is the other double, 5. Okay, I'll let you finish those. This one's minus 10. If you need to use the 100 chart, feel free to do that. We have 18 minus 10. Find 18. Oops, can you see that? Find 18 minus 10 is 8. All you're doing is counting off the decade backward. And then the last one, when you have minus 0, then first number always stays the same. Okay, so 18, if I had 18 cookies, none were taken away, guess what? I'd still have 18 cookies. So I want you to fill out the rest of that one too. Okay, that'll be fun. The next one is kind of a subtraction challenge. This one you can use any strategy that you want to. Also, it's got some coloring in here. So when you fill in all the answers, you can do some of the coloring. I'll just do a few, okay? So we have 16 minus 8. Oh, you know what? I know 8 and 8 make 16. That's a double. So 16 minus 8 must be 8. Now, if I look at this answer, 8, is it between 0 and 5? No, it's bigger than that. Is it between 6 and 8? Yeah, it is. That one would be yellow. Oh, did I bring a yellow? Bear with me. Let me grab a yellow highlighter here. Oh, here's my yellow highlighter. All right, so this space would then be colored in as yellow. Now, your coloring is going to be much nicer than mine, right? Okay, let's pick another one. I'll pick this one. 11 minus 2. Well, I could count back. That would be really simple, right? Why don't I try that? Because it's a minus 2, so it's pretty close. So hold the 11 and let's count backward. 10, 9. Count back by 2. There's my answer, 9. Okay. Oh, if it's 9, between 9 and 11, I want it to be red. I don't have red, but I've got pink. Okay, so there's my pink. So this is going to turn into a picture when you're done. I don't know if you can tell what it is already, but as you fill in the answers, you have to just ask your parents maybe if it's between 0 and 5, you color it white. You don't have to color it. If it's between 6 and 8, then it's going to be yellow. If your answer is between 9 and 11, color it red. If your answer is between 12 and 15, color it blue. And if your answer is between 16 and 20, you're going to make that one green. So this one that was 8 was yellow. This one that was 9 was red, or pink in my case. Okay, use all the strategies you can. I see some minus 10s. I see some minus 0s. I see a number minus itself. I see some doubles. Some of these you can count back. Some of these you could count up or think addition. Some are tens partners. Use any strategy you want. Have fun with this. Can't wait to see your pictures.